The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine update. May 25, 2023, 106 Ukrainians are returning home as a result of another prisoner exchange with Russia. The Air Force Command of Ukraine Armed Forces update. On the night of May 25, 2023, Russia attacked Ukraine with Iranian-made Shahed 131 attack drones. In total, 36 barrage munitions were launched from the northern and southern directions. Presumably, Russia aimed to attack critical infrastructure and military facilities in the western regions of Ukraine. Units of anti-aircraft missile forces, fighter aircraft, mobile fire groups in the areas of responsibility of the Southern Air Command, the Center Air Command, the West Air Command of the Air Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and air defense of other components of the Defense Forces of Ukraine were involved in repelling the attack. By joint efforts, all 36 Shaheeds were destroyed. The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense Intelligence update on Ukraine. Analysis by Geolect indicates that since the 14th of May 2023, commercial vessels' automatic identification system data has been remotely spoofed to create the impression of a 65 kilometers long Russian pro-war Z symbol on the Black Sea, visible on open-source tracking software. The automatic identification system is used to track vessels, including to ensure their safety. Tracks making up the image suggested vessel speeds of up to 102 knots, 188 kilometers per hour, further suggesting they were fake. Pro-Russian actors likely conducted the spoofing as an information operation, potentially in an attempt to bolster Russian morale ahead of an anticipated Ukrainian counteroffensive. The spoofing of automatic identification system increases the risk of maritime accidents. Despite Russian virtual information operations in the Black Sea, its physical navy remains vulnerable. The Ivan Kurz intelligence-gathering vessel was likely attacked on the 24th of May 2023. The Institute for the Study of War, Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. Wagner Group financier Yevgeny Prigozhin announced on May 25 that the Wagner Group began handing over its positions in Bakhmut to the Russian Ministry of Defense and claimed Wagner will entirely withdraw from the city on June 1. Footage posted on May 25 shows Prigozhin speaking with Wagner fighters in Bakhmut and announcing that Wagner began handing over their positions to the Russian Ministry of Defense and withdrawing to rear areas of the city. Prigozhin reminded some of the fighters that Wagner will withdraw from the city entirely and reconstitute, rest and train following June 1. Prigozhin also claimed that Wagner plans to leave behind ammunition and provisions for regular Russian troops if necessary, and sardonically showed 2 Wagner fighters who he claimed he will leave behind for the Russian Ministry of Defense. The Institute for the Study of War has previously reported that Prigozhin announced that Wagner would hand over its positions to the Ministry of Defense starting on May 25 and withdraw from Bakhmut by June 1, but it remains unclear if Wagner will be able to withdraw the entirety of its contingent by June 1 and if Russian Ministry of Defense troops will execute a successful relief in place.